to your Fit Over 50 yoga and balance workout. Let's begin. It's only 8 minutes, so do the best you can. Let's begin taking a deep cleansing breath. Bring in that beautiful oxygen. It equals energy. And just let it go. Release it. Beautiful. Bring your arms back all the way up. Elongate the spine and let's stretch to the side. Side stretch. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Stretch through the waistline. That's it. And up and over. Full body reach. That's it. Come on. Really stretch through the sides of the waistline. Great for your back. Great for your hips. Keeping your whole body strong. And release. And let's turn to the side. Lift up. Stretch your spine all the way up. And now pull your elbows back together. That's it. And all the way up. And dive all the way down. Reach your hands to the floor if you can. If not, you can stay right here. That's it. Keeping your back straight. Or you can also just relax and shift your weight side to side. And now slowly bend your knees. That's it. And stretch. And come all the way up. Now it's time to begin our sun salutation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Walk your hands all the way out to a plank. Hold your plank. Feel strong. Bring your knees down, your chest down. Roll up to cobra. And curl your toes under. Up dog to down dog. Hips are up. Stretch your spine. Your spine is your lifeline. Beautiful. And bring one leg through and come down onto your knee. Elongate the spine. Stretch up and release. Now placing your hands on your hips. Thinking about lifting towards your hips, towards the ground, but lifting through the chest. That's it. Lean slightly back. Elongate the spine. Lengthen and strengthen. And now shift your hands to the ground. Lift all the way up. Beautiful. Hold the runner's lunge. Hold the runner's lunge. That's it. Great. And now slowly bring your foot back and hold into plank. Strong bodies, strong minds. And let's take it down. And cobra up. Beautiful. And now downward facing dog. Hips come up, elongate your legs, stretch through the thighs. Beautiful. And now slowly bring the other leg through and elbows all the way up, arms up, 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 stretch. Good, elongate the spine. Great, and runner's lunge. Hold it up there, hold it up, beautiful. Lengthen through the legs. Great for inner thigh stretch. And release. Come all the way down to a tabletop. Now we're going to do some cat, dog, lift up, cat, cow, and lift in. Inhale here. And round your back, tighten your tummy through the waistline, pull it up and in. And release. One more time. Lift up, 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 up. Open up the chest and round the back. Beautiful. And now lift out to the side. Gorgeous stretch. This is my favorite stretch. Lift up. That's it. Side angle hold. Great. And now stretch all the way to the side. And slowly release. And let's lift the other leg out. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Up and over. Beautiful. And now slowly lift your hips up and all the way up. Great. Placing your feet and your hips about shoulder width apart. And now placing your hands straight. Tighten up your tummy. And we're going to slowly lean back. Just feel your quadriceps. Tighten up through the tushy. That's it. And come back up. Good work. Stretching through the hip flexors, the quadriceps. Beautiful. And release. Hands go back down. And lift one leg all the way up. Hold the arm all the way the opposite. Reciprocal reach. Hold it up, 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 up. That's it. And can you bring your elbow to touch your knee? Beautiful. And this is a great balance move. Hold, hold, and release. And lift the opposite leg with the opposite arm. Hold your abs in. Pull your belly button up and in. Lift it up. Great spinal exercises. And pull your elbow to your knee. Tighten up your tummy. And release. Stretch. And try to touch. That's it. Great for those abs. And relax. Now all the way back up to a beautiful plank. Walk your fingertips towards your toes and come all the way up. Beautiful. Now it's time to do some great balancing moves. And I love, love, love the warrior. My favorite move. Opens up your hips, stretches your legs, lift up through the rib cage. That's it. Hold the strength. And now slowly lean forward and reverse the warrior. I love this stretch so much. Beautiful. And then side angle, hold. That's it. Can you feel the stretch? Lengthen the spine. And release. And turn your toes to the other way. Good. Nice, beautiful warrior. Stretch the arms. Open up through the hips. That's it. Really use this thigh muscle, pressing the foot into the ground, grounding yourself, and reverse the warrior. Hold that stretch. Get a little deeper with the legs, lifting with the chest, and slowly to side angle. Hold, relax, and breathe. Try to breathe through your nose. Inhale, and exhale out your nose. That's it. Great. And now slowly bring your legs nice and strong. We're going to lift all the way down. Lift down, down, down. Stretch and twist. Stretch up. Back is strong and straight. Great. Twisty move. Great to the other side now. Revolve all the way up, 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 up. Are you quadriceps nice and strong? Keep your legs straight if you can. That's it. Now back is flat. Use your legs to come up and bring your feet together. Beautiful. Let's do a chair pose. Sit back now. Pull your belly button up and in. Strengthen the arms. Lift up, 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 up. Sit down in chair. A little lower, a little lower. You got this, you got this. Hold. Beautiful. Strong bodies. You can do it. That's it. And come all the way up. Let's take a deep cleansing breath together. Bring it in, full circle, and exhale it out. One more. Deep cleansing breath. Bring it in. Bring it deeper, deeper. And let it out. And namaste. You did it. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com. Sign up for your free trial now.